Hey Clutterbugs, are you tired of choosing between a clean house and a tight booty? Well, today you can have neither. I'm just kidding. You can actually have both, just not today. But what I am going to show you today is how cleaning can actually, with a few modifications, be a workout too. I mean, regular cleaning is a form of exercise, but we're going to take it to the next level. I know this seems weird and I look ridiculous. I have not jumped the shark. Stay with me. Don't leave this video. I promise you're going to learn a few things and you're going to feel amazing at the end too. Welcome to Cleanercise, the first workout scientifically designed to get rid of dirt and work out your muscles at the same time. No gym membership required. No expensive equipment needed, just a house that needs cleaning and some muscles that need tightening. Today we're going to be focusing on legs, arms, core, cardio, and defeating your crushing shame and resentment. So grab your cleaning supplies and let's get started. Seriously, this seems ridiculous, but I promise you it's amazing. Ready for our warm-up? Go to a room that's looking a little bit messy, and what I want you to do is grab a trash bag and an empty basket. The whole time, we're moving fast. Set a timer for 5 minutes and just find absolute trash that can go. If something belongs in a different room, put it in the basket. If something belongs in the room, stick it in there now. 5 minutes, we're tidying and we're toning the tush at the same time. Knees up, Clutterbugs, knees up. And if there's something on the floor, hinge at the waist and pulse, pulse. Wow, this is a good stretch. I'm very out of shape. Pulse, pulse. Feeling the burn? Not yet, just wait. I'm already a little out of breath. Are you ready for cardio blast? Before we do a workout, we want to have a little bit of cardio to get our heart rate up and burn more calories. This is called the Stair sprint. So, you know the basket of things that don't belong? Pick one item and run up the stairs as fast as you can and put it away and come back and repeat. Sprinting, 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 sprinting. Hold the railing, Clutterbugs, hold the railing. Knees up, and then keep repeating. I'm a fitness goddess. It's very slippery. I feel moisture. Repeat until the basket is empty or you feel the burn. I slapped myself really hard. I'm wet too, so it was extra stingy. Woo! Are you ready for some leg exercises? We're starting with cobweb calf raises. First, engage your core. That means just suck in your stomach, I think. Next, you're gonna reach for those cobwebs you've been ignoring for the last 6 months, but you're gonna go up on your tiptoes and back down. And pulse, and 1 and 2. And as you move on those tips, engage that core and pulse, pulse. You should be feeling the burn in your calves and also your cheeks from embarrassment of how many cobwebs you have. And also from doing this exercise. Pulse, and pulse, and pulse, and pulse. 80s leotards don't breathe. I'm moist. Are you ready for vacuum lunges? While you're vacuuming, deep lunge with every swipe. And then alternate legs. Deeper, deep lunges, you guys. Feel the burn. I'm feeling the burn. I actually am feeling the burn. You're cleaning dirt and tightening your glutes at the same time. I know this looks absolutely ridiculous, but this is literally my favorite thing. We're vacuuming anyways. Wait a second. We're vacuuming anyways. So while we vacuum, if we just like modify and do a little lunge at the same time, we are strengthening our muscles. And I'm getting older. I'm perimenopausal. I am losing on average 1 pound of muscle a year. So like, yeah, I look like a goof, but seriously, please give this a try. Lunge while you vacuum. It's I'm feeling something. Our air conditioner broke this morning. It's about 95 degrees in here. And I got a lot more Cleanercise to do. Loading the dishwasher. This is not a chore. It's a squat. So grab your dish, 1 squat for plates. Really feel it. Stick your butt out and pulse and pulse. 4, 4 and 5 and pulse. And then reach into that sink. If it's nasty, just keep pulsing. Why don't my kids load it? Nobody knows. Feel the rage of the dirty dishes and harness it into butt-popping, lunging pulses. Thank God I'm wearing this sweatband. Did I mention it's hot in here? I'm doing it, doing something. And squat, and squat. I'm loading and I'm squatting. Do I look ridiculous? Yes. Is it effective? Abso-frickin-lutely. My legs feel like Jell-O. Come on, Clutterbugs! I need a minute. It's okay. Emily! That was surprisingly hard. You gotta try this. Like, seriously. Squatting and pulsing? Please, try this right now. I know you're watching this video. You don't even have to load. Just do a little pulse squat. Do a little pulse squat. Nobody's looking. Pulse squat. Oh, that is a workout. Look, I got my sweatband. These are little things that might not feel like they're a big deal, but I promise you, they are going to add up to a big difference. You don't have to be a different person or join a gym or spend a lot of money to combine getting in shape and having a clean house. Now it's time for my favorite part, core exercises. Are you ready to have abs of steel? Who's that? Bella Hadid? Not yet, but a few of these exercises, and I will be. Start with your legs, shoulder width apart. Put your mop, it's called mop twists, up and twist. You can bend your knees slightly and twist and twist. You could also twist while you mop. Twist. Anyone noticing that I look like I peed my pants? That is just sweat. Why? Because polyester from the 80s does not breathe. And there's a river. There's a river running down my back and front, and it's pooling in places it shouldn't be pooling. Feel the burn. It's like hot yoga, but hot Cleanercise. Yes. Okay, seriously, real talk. This is like one of my favorite exercises to actually do. So when you're mopping, if you just focus on movements and twist your body, you are literally targeting your obliques. You are targeting your core muscles, and you don't have to do any extra work. It's just being mindful of your movements. Know what I'm saying? Okay, next mopping exercise is called mopping push and pulls. Basically, you want to exaggerate your mop. Get on your tiptoes, Clutterbugs, and lean, and then pull back. This costs like $250 to do this. It's called a sled push and pull in a gym. You could do it while mopping your floor. Best part, if you have like spilled juice, that's just extra resistance. Feel it. Feel the burn. Extra bonus points if you do it to 80s music and look like a total ridiculous idiot with a wet crotch. Push down, really get the grime. You good? So good, Emily. Are you ready for the best full body workout ever? It's called a baseboard bear crawl. You basically want to just get on your hands and knees, just like this, and then soak a rag with your favorite cleaner back on your hands and knees, and just lift those knees, hover. And you're wiping the baseboards. You're wiping. This doesn't feel like it's doing much. It's doing everything. This is targeting every single muscle in your body, and it's targeting those dust bunnies you've been neglecting. What are you waiting for? Bear crawl. Want to take the bear crawl to the next level? Let's plank. Okay, this is a plank. What's crazy about a plank is like if you... Okay, real talk. What's crazy about a plank is it looks like it should be easy. You basically are just like curl your toes under, okay, on your forearms, and you just hold it like this. Feels like it should be crazy easy, except it's one of the hardest workouts, but studies have shown if you plank for just 10 seconds a day, not only will you lower your blood pressure, but you will increase your core strength, reduce back pain. It is like one of the healthiest exercises you can do, and it takes 10 seconds. So we're gonna plank, and then baseboard, baseboard, baseboard. I'm basically Jane Fonda over here. Are you ready for a full arm tone that's gonna make you look like Dwayne "The Rock" Johnson? Spray your shower with your favorite cleaner, and then here's what we're gonna do. We're waxing on and waxing off. Push with pressure. Circles, wax on, wax off. And every time you do inner circles, friends, tighten that core. That's working your biceps. Outer circles, triceps. And the whole thing's also doing your shoulders. Wax on, wax on. Karate is like optional. Wax on, wax off. The shine and sparkle and the burning of my muscles. Gorgeous. Can we be done? Are you ready for laundry basket lifts? This works out your entire body. You go to your laundry basket and feet shoulder width apart, knees straight, and bend at the hips. Pick it up and bring it to your waist. This is called a deadlift, apparently. Ooh, feel the stretch and the burn. Now, you're gonna lift it over your head and pulse, and pulse, and pulse, and pulse, and out in front, and hold it, and lift, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and lift, and lift, and lift. Squat, engage the core, and lift. Hold it. This is and lift, and lift, and lift, and lift until you lose the will to live or you find the will to put away the laundry. And down and up and lift and lift. Okay, I'm good. Real talk for a second. I actually really like this one because how often are you carrying a laundry hamper around your house like this on your hip? You know what I mean? What if we literally carry it like this and we just lift it? That's it. You're not doing anything special, but you are getting a full body workout. And if you're picking it up off the floor, you know, deadlift it. Cleanercise. I might be a genius. Are you ready for the cool down? It's time to stretch those muscles out. And we do this with picking stuff our family has left on the floor off the floor. You wanna tighten that core, hinge at the hips, so you have a full stretch. Pick up and put away. Pick up and put away. Bend and snap. No, that's you get the reference, we're friends. Hinge, tighten that core, and up. I feel something there. Repeat until your floor is clean. And bonus calories if you step on a Lego. Bonus burning. Bonus move to consider the next time you're coming back from the grocery store. It's called a farmer carry. Okay, grab every single bag in the trunk at the same time because we're athletes and we're also stubborn. Yes, our fingers are burning. Don't put them down. Hold them while you put your keys away. Hold. Hold. Bonus, do little baby curls all the way to the kitchen. Little baby curls. Works your back, works your biceps, works your butt. We're amazing. You're amazing. We're amazing. Emily. I'm fine. Emily, congratulations. You burned calories. You cleaned your house. Maybe you even found the remote control you lost. Like, this is double duty. That's why I am so obsessed with this. I know I look ridiculous. I know this video was a bit weird, but the reality is, like, I've always thought of cleaning the house as a workout, but just doing little modifications takes it to the next level. Like, I'm sweating, yes, because my air conditioner broke and it is a million degrees in here, but also I feel like the tone. I feel the burn. I've done something today. If you've made it this far, you're amazing. But the next time you load the dishwasher, why not squat? The next time you vacuum up some crumbs or hair on the floor, why not lunge? The next time you're carrying a laundry basket, maybe do some lifts. Are you feeling motivated? Something small. Do a bear crawl, plank for 10 seconds. I promise you are going to be so proud of yourself and your house will be a little cleaner too. If you like this Cleanercise video, give this video a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, subscribe. Don't worry, they're not usually like this. The videos are not like this, but maybe you want more like this. I'm going to buy a leotard that's more breathable because I'm damp. Let me know in the comments below if you tried any of these and if you felt the burn or which one you want to try, and if you have ideas for other ways to combine cleaning and working out. Maybe Cleanercise is a new Clutterbug thing that takes over the nation. Maybe together we'll all get buff and have sparkling homes together. See you next time for another Cleanercise workout. Thank you so much for those of you who have stayed to the end. My family saw me in this getup and they all were so embarrassed and they begged me not to do this video. I'm not sure if I'm gonna even post it yet. I haven't seen it. Emily's gonna put it together. But honestly, I do think it's a cool concept. So yes, I am risking complete mortification, but it's not like it's the first time. Anybody seen the Bridgerton video or the drill sergeant? I mean, embarrassment's just part of the fun, right? Am I right? Also, gonna tell you, did you know that bad luck comes in threes? So not only did we have, like, I don't know if Milo summoned a tornado, that's going, who knows, but tornado ripped off our roof, then it started raining in our house. Now our air conditioner broke. But on the plus side, bad luck comes in threes, and then it's supposed to be followed by three awesomeness. So fingers crossed, all of you, just send me good vibes, okay, guys? Because it's really hot. It's like 100 degrees outside and we don't have any air conditioning. Just send me good vibes. And also, I'm fanning myself. This was working. I'll see you guys next time.